Meaning of doggone.
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 Doggone. Doggone is an exclamation used to express frustration or annoyance, often considered a toned-down version of stronger swear words. It can also be used as an adjective to describe something being stubborn or difficult. The word originated in the United States in the 19th century and is believed to have evolved from the expression goddamn, which was considered too vulgar for polite conversation. Overall, doggone is a mild colloquialism often used as a substitute for stronger language in informal settings.